Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Eraorganics product out there, the Eraorganics Superbalm 4OZ. Paired with their organic diaper balm in this powerhouse baby skincare bundle. If you're a parent searching for a natural, effective solution to soothe your baby's sensitive skin, then stay with us for the next 5 minutes as we break down what makes this duo a standout in baby care. Starting with the star of the show, the Eraorganics Superbalm Healing Ointment. This 4-ounce balm is designed to tackle a wide range of baby skin issues, from eczema and cradle cap to rashes and dry patches. What's impressive is its ingredient list. We're talking USDA-certified organic, food-grade components like chamomile, calendula, colloidal oatmeal, castor oil, and plantain oil. These aren't just buzzwords. Each of these ingredients plays a targeted role in calming irritation, reducing redness, and restoring moisture to delicate baby skin. The texture of the balm is rich and nourishing without being overly greasy. It absorbs well and provides a protective layer, which is crucial when dealing with inflamed or raw skin. And since it's free from parabens, phthalate, dyes, artificial fragrances, and other harsh chemicals, it's perfectly suited for the most sensitive skin types, including newborns. Now let's talk about the second part of this bundle, the Eraorganics Diaper Balm. This 2-ounce jar is more than just a diaper cream. It's a complete moisture shield designed to keep your baby comfortable throughout the day and night. Using cocoa butter, beeswax, and coconut oil, the balm not only locks out excess moisture but also nourishes and softens the skin underneath. One thing worth mentioning, it's safe to use with cloth diapers too, which is a big win for eco-conscious parents. Unlike some other diaper creams that leave a greasy residue or stained clothing, this balm goes on smoothly and stays in place without the mess. It helps prevent chafing, relieves existing irritation, and supports the skin's natural barrier. And because it's crafted with the same clean, organic philosophy as the Superbalm, you can feel confident knowing you're not exposing your child to synthetic ingredients. Together, these two products make a powerful team. You can use the Superbalm for more targeted treatment, think flare-ups of eczema or stubborn cradle cap, and rely on the Diaper Balm for everyday protection and hydration in the diaper area. They complement each other perfectly, giving you full coverage for your baby's skincare needs. What really sets this bundle apart is the brand itself. Eraorganics is a family-owned, USA-made company with a commitment to quality and transparency. Their formulas are dermatologist-tested, non-toxic, and made with integrity. They don't just slap an organic label on their products, they live by it. Whether you're dealing with a one-time rash or managing ongoing skin sensitivities, this combo offers both immediate relief and long-term skin support. And that's exactly what parents need, products that work hard, but gently. Unfortunately, at the time of this recording, this bundle is currently unavailable on Amazon. But don't worry, if it comes back in stock, it's worth grabbing right away. It's rare to find a product that ticks all the boxes: organic, effective, versatile, and safe. That wraps up our deep dive into the Eraorganics Superbalm 4OZ and Organic Diaper Balm. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next episode. This has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time with more trusted product breakdowns.